Welcome to Winning Wall Street's Money. Help support my channel. We need to get to 1,000 subscribers pretty much as soon as possible. So then I go live streaming because YouTube policy, they won't let me go live until I have 1,000 subscribers. Thank you to all the folks out there that have subscribed to my YouTube channel. If you have not yet, please take this moment now with helping me. Click subscribe. Next, click the bell. And next, click all. This helps you receive a notification when I post my next videos. Plus, click the thumbs up button and every time you watch my videos. If you got value from this video, if this was helpful, then please consider sharing a small monetary donation to my channel by going below and clicking on either my Patreon or PayPal links. If you join my Patreon page, then you'll get early access to these videos 24 hours before they're posted on the YouTube and lots more. If you prefer just leaving a small tip, click on PayPal. Either way, then you get that warm sense of satisfaction years down the line knowing that you helped me become a successful YouTuber.
Friday, April 29th, 4:10 p.m. New York time. The U.S. stock market just closed 10 minutes ago. It was the last trading day in the month. April had a massive amount of stock earnings this month for the first quarter of the year. January, February, March was the first quarter. We already finished the first quarter and we already finished the earnings for the first quarter. Easy to identify now leadership and failure. That's why we're going to look at the monthly time frame. The candles are monthly. And I highly recommend you, whatever you're invested in equities or fixed income products, if you haven't been doing it year to date so far, take time this weekend to look at your investment portfolio. And if it's not earning income above from what you bought it for, or from any price level of this year, get out of it and rotate something better. Seriously. And this may help you understand why so. Again, we're looking at stocks, not fixed income. So on the right is the Dow Jones Industrial Average Index. Yep, currently has 30 companies listed in it. All these companies are United States businesses, and they're worth hundreds of billions of dollars. Not a billion, not 10 billion, no, more than that. They're huge. Well, looking at the past 5 years here on the Dow Jones Industrial Average, there we go. Notice this huge consolidation years in the past. Yeah, we had some above and below it. We haven't retested it yet. Nope. So currently for the year, we're here. Stay in that. All-time high was the first month of the year. All-time low for the year was here. The past 2 months, this red candle being April, and this yellow candle, inside candle, being March. We're making higher lows. That's a divergency. Huge tails on the bottom. These tails on the bottom are longer than the tails on top. That meaning there's buyers stepping in there. Current month, no. But the current month also did not take out the low. Very interesting. So somebody, institutions, retail, investors, have been buying at these lows. Something to consider. That's a reason to be looking at this weekend. Let's look at the Dow 30 stocks, see if we see one's performing better, trending up. Remember, this is a consolidation here too. Yeah. But we want to identify what's trending, what's breaking out. And we're looking at Apple, inside candle, the yellow candle inside. That means indecision. And look at these prior 3 candles, huge tails on the bottom. Bunch of buyers stepped in. So somebody thinks again, that's fair price. So intraday, you hear a lot of whipsaw. Weekly, you hear a lot of whipsaw of these stocks. But the higher time frame, I just showed you, somebody's been buying. Alpha Mike Goff, November. Look at that. For the current month, made a new high for the year and then sold off, huge tail. Also took out that prior swing high. Let's remove that yellow horizontal line. Yep. So many sellers coming in here. That's not good. Nope. We'll likely get retested at some point in time. But That's not confidence. Nope. Let's look at the finance. American Express, Alpha X-ray Papa, inside candle. Interesting. Yeah, so this huge tail there is getting retested. But it might be done. We'll see if we're going to have a reversal. Another inside candle. Interesting. Indecision. And Boeing. All-time new low for the year. Huge trading range. Yep. So what's here? That was a demand zone of buyers. Let's label it. There we go. Monthly demand. What does that mean? It means buyers stepped in here. And as it goes down here, if it gets retested, we're going to see if buyers step in there again. But right now, it's all-time low for the year. And potential buying range. Yep, Boeing. Do you ever think this was going to happen anytime soon? Well, watch that closely. Potential buyers. Caterpillar, Charlie Alpha Tango, also made a new high for the year and then sold off. That's not good. Nope. Charlie Romeo Mike, Salesforce, made a new low for the year and closed below that. Really bad. Massive problems this company's having. Yep. Wouldn't be surprised if that's going to be consideration by the Dow board members to remove it from the Dow 30. And if they remove this from the Dow 30, and if they're going to put something else in its replace that's in the same sector, that actually might help goose the Dow up to new highs before the year or the end. Don't be surprised. Every few years, the Dow does get adjusted. Cisco, Charlie Sierra, Charlie Oscar, terrible. All-time new low for the year. Huge trading range, really bad. Technology stocks, like the worst sector this year, not the ones to bid in on the upside. On the downside, making money, downside, sure. Bullish, no. And potential area here for a retest. Yep. So that would be meaning that expected to potentially go lower. Yep. Yeah, we're very close to the midpoint. Getting closer there. And as we progress into the season of summer, there'll be buying opportunities. Even though the volatility and the volume might dry up, there are buying opportunities. Be aware of them. If you want to get in earlier instead of later, just don't walk away from the market as some people do. Yep. Potential. Charlie Victor X-ray, Chevron, inside candle. Interesting. Yep. Huge tails on the top. So potential getting retested there. We'll see what happens. Delta, India, Sierra, Disney, all-time new low for the year. Yeah, very bad. Just like Netflix. Yep. Struggling. Dow Chemical, all-time new high for the year. Outstanding. Also took out the high for last year. Leadership. Yep. This was showed past months as bullish. Yep. Good job out of you. You took it. Goldman Sachs, all-time new low for the year. Financials really bad. So again, I shared many times in the past videos, typically when interest rates go higher, it's good for the financial institutions. Yeah, that's true. But there's living, breathing people that are the business leaders of these financial institutions, and they made bad decisions and put them in action of financing bad investments in certain countries, not just the United States, but in Mother Russia. And now karma hits them. So let's contact some of those big financial companies and see if they should take a pay reduction. The board members. Nope, some of them are just laying off people, but they're not paying a reduction. They should be to their board members. Hotel Delta, Home Depot, all-time new low for the year. Not good. And look at that. That's interesting. A dodgy down there and potential reversal. Yep, but watch that closely coming to the next month. Yep. Let's see if that's going to have a reversal or if it's going to have a fast move down or reversal. Hotel Oscar November. Well, it made a higher high, higher low, smaller trading range. It's in a consolidation phase off that demand zone, which is good. Because this huge till had demand zone. Buyer stepped in there. Let's label this. Very nice. Yep. So potential, even up here. Oh, I like that too. That's a price level to watch here. So that was a supply zone. And that supply zone on the monthly, we'll see if we go that as potential buy area. IBM, green candle. Wow, huge tail. Also, many sellers up there still struggling. Intel, yep, not surprised. Took out the swing low. Technology, no, really bad. New low for the year. Johnson & Johnson, outstanding, all-time new high for the year. Okay, so it has a high till. That's concerning. But it also closed above that prior month high. Very good. All-time new high, nice. JP Morgan, another financial, took out the swing low, all-time new low for the year. Again, financials really bad shape. Really bad shape. Potential retracement all the way down here. I would not be buying the financials. Nope. So we know financials and technology are struggling. I showed that in multiple past videos for past months. If you're buying those on retracement, it's not the best. There's better stocks. Now, if we continue with the rate hikes this year, that might start reducing the damage to these big banks, but it also could hurt the retails. Yep, less discretionary income. Coca-Cola, all-time new high for the year. Outstanding. Very nice. McDonald's made a higher high, higher low, and then closed that small body. Dodgy. That means indecision. That's not good location. Look at that. 3M, Mike. 2 months back-to-back inside candles. So let me explain to this long candle and the flag. This is a bearish flag pattern. And now it's an acceleration phase. Yep. I'll watch that closely, see what's going to happen. So one would expect as a bearish flag pattern, the bottom of this flag is going to break it, get broke, and maybe we even do a retest of that shadow, wick till right here. Then when it comes in here, if it does, potential buying area. Merck, Mike Romeo Kilo, all-time new high for the year. Outstanding. Very nice. Microsoft. Nope. That's looking really bad down here. Yep. Massive consolidation. Nike. Inside candle. That's good. Made a retracement. See this long wick. Bullish pin bar. Made a huge retracement. Inside candle. That's a 2 candlestick pattern. And again, the yellow candle means inside candle. And the inside candle on the long candle here on the bottom of a trend. Again, identify the trend is down. Inside candle. There's a name for that. Should be understanding this may become a reversal. We don't know until it occurs, but this may become as a bullish pattern. Time will tell. Yeah, or time will tell. I mean, some might call it a bearish harmony, but it's not at the top, it's on the bottom. So this actually might be turning out to be bullish harmony. Got it, bullish harmony. It's just this candle here is suspicious. I'd rather see that whole body there. So I'm gonna put a little label there, right there. But again, it's retail. One would expect retail is still gonna get worse. And one would expect, again, between now and the high holiday seasons for the United States or the world, Christmas, you may see more retail go out of business. Papa Goff, Procter & Gamble, green candle, up strong. Yeah. That's good. See if it breaks above that swing high. Tango Romeo Victor, inside candle on the top. Oh, that's suspicious. Yeah. Yep. This might be a bearish pattern. Yeah, because again, it's financials. So it may have a reversal, go lower. Uniform November Hotel made a new high and then did a bearish pin bar. So one would expect it's going to break below that. Break below that, I would consider going short, selling, trading bearish, and then on the upside, a retracement of this wick some point. Visa, the financials, yep, huge consolidation. Look at that stop hunt right there. So we're going to see if this turns around. Victor Zulu, Verizon, new low for the year, really bad. Not good. Even took out the swing low from back there. And look at this. Yep, coming into those swing lows, not good. It's like it's going to be a duper retracement. Probably break below that 46. So let's look at AT&T. Wow, AT&T is performing better than Verizon. Whiskey, Bravo, Alpha, new low for the year, not good. Nope. And Walmart, Whiskey, Mike, Tango, new high for the year, outstanding. Took out that swing high, took out the swing high from last year and took out that swing high from 2 years ago. Nice. Bullish pin, sorry, bearish pin bar up here. So many thanks for watching.